Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create an amazing bot that can open multiple browsers using just one line of code. If you haven't tried this trick yet, make sure to watch till the end, like the video, and share your feedback in the comments. Let's get started. First, create a new folder and open it in your favorite code editor, like VS Code or Notepad++. In this folder, we will create a batch file. Name the file bot.bat, because this will be a batch script that automates the process. Now, inside the file, write this simple one-line code that will open your browser. Here, you need to enter your browser's path, along with the link you want to open. If you're using Mozilla Firefox or Brave browser, you can also add their paths here. If you want to open multiple browsers or different profiles, simply copy and paste this line and add different browser paths or profiles. Now, save the file and simply double-click to run the script. See? With just one click, multiple browsers have opened. Hello guys! In today's video, I will show you how to create a Netflix clone using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Before we start the video, I have a small request. Please like the video. Hello guys! Where you are Netflix clone using Great. Please download and install it first. First,